Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn. My channel's name is My Randomly Organized Life, and today I am going to be doing a plan with me for the week of St. Patrick's Day. So if you're interested in how I set up my planner for the week, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so this is the kit I'm going to be using. It is a St. Patrick's Day kit that is actually up in the shop as well. Okay, so this is the first page of the set. You have your full boxes that are patterned and then your quarter boxes that are solid colors. You have your weekend banner and then this week reminder headers and some bill due stickers. This sheet has half boxes and then full box checklists and then just a weekly list, some flags, and then today and to-do headers. And then the last page has your day headers, some habit trackers. Then you have some half box checklists and then some quarter box tabs and half boxes and then some pattern quarter boxes and then your icons at the bottom. So typically what I do first is go ahead and white out the horizontal lines here so they don't show through on the stickers. And then I start with my headers. So I'll go ahead and do that and then I will fast forward and put some music to it. Okay, so here's everything before the pen. I've laid down all my stickers here. At the top, I just have my day headers. Then I have my half box or quarter boxes here with the flags, and I typically use these for tracking the weather. And then these quarter or half boxes here I use for who's at daycare, who's at school, everything like that. These today sections here are just for like appointments or things going on at school or work, things like that. And then these are my checklists for the day. I don't typically put one on the weekend just because usually we have stuff going on or we're out doing something. And then down here is where I track our meals. So there's 3 checklists in this little checklist here. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'll add my pen for that. And then this is just the sidebar and I'll fill that in as well. But this is what I have so far. So I'll keep going. Okay, you guys, that is everything for this week that I prep ahead of time. And then I wanted to show you the stickers I had left over. So this sheet is completely gone, so I'll just pitch that. This sheet, I just have these half boxes left, which I will put throughout the week. I know for sure I'll put some on Sunday, because it's St. Patrick's Day, and then Saturday, because I know we're going to the St. Patrick's Day parade. And then I'm sure there's other things throughout the week. This sheet, I have all these quarter boxes left and then all these icons left. These I use for like appointments and things like that throughout the week as well. But that is everything for this plan with me. And I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, please consider subscribing before you go. We'd love for you to join our YouTube family. And that is everything, you guys. I hope you have a great St. Patrick's Day. Bye!